Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all about the Sonoline B 3 megahertz Fetal Doppler, the one I bought off of eBay. I'm just going to show you a few of the settings that it has. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. I'm going to show you what it comes with and the settings and all that good stuff. I'm not going to actually use it, but I will post another video of what the baby's heartbeat sounds like with it, okay? First of all, right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, here's the probe. You can put the gel either on the probe or onto your stomach. It's really easy. This is the on button, and you can kind of hear it. There's mode 1, there's mode 1, 2, and 3. This is the black light. You can turn it on or off. The volume, let me see if I can get a good shot. The volume is right here on the side. You can turn it up or down. I prefer to turn it down before I put the gel on it because it makes a really loud crackling noise. What else? Also, the top of it, if I can get a picture, the top, you can put your earphones or headphones in and hear it. And I think you can upload this somehow, your baby's heartbeat, to Facebook and sites like that. And then just hold it down to turn it off. Okay, here is the little packet of gel it comes with. It's not much, but you can always go get aloe vera gel. Let me see here. Here is the manual it comes with. It'll tell you everything you need to know. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple to use. I love it. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment and ask me. Thanks.